Today we're featuring the new 2021 Toyota Camry LE that gets up to 39 miles per gallon and includes Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features like the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and more, all designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. Another feature of Toyota's Safety Sense are the bi-LED combination headlights with auto on-off feature, automatic high beam dimmer, and LED daytime running lights intended to boost visibility. The color-keyed door handles integrate the multifunction remote keyless entry system with two-stage unlock, panic, trunk release functions, and remote illuminated entry. Around back, you'll notice the LED combination taillights and solar-tinted acoustic laminated glass window. The integrated rear-view camera also provides a projected path, making it safer when backing up, and the power windows contains the auto up-down feature with jam protection. The 3-passenger rear seating with 60/40 split fold-flat seats helps you maximize cargo area configurations. The Camry also comes with in-cabin Wi-Fi, a 4.2-inch multi-information display, a 7-inch Toyota infotainment screen, and also a Wi-Fi hotspot. The 3-spoke tilt telescopic steering wheel includes hands-free controls for phone and audio, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM, and Amazon Alexa. This Camry LE also includes 8-way power-adjustable reclining driver's seat with power lumbar support and 6-way reclining adjustable front passenger seat. The Camry is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with a direct shift 8-speed electronically controlled transmission with intelligence. Traditional gas or hybrid models are both available. Remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. So if you want to surpass all expectations, then you need to drive the new 2021 Toyota Camry LE, which also includes Toyota's Star Safety System with enhanced vehicle stability control, traction control, smart stop technology, and more. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.